Okay, it's a Monday, the 4th of March. Warm day across Pennsylvania. Good day to get outside. A lot of areas are seeing 60s. Higher elevations are hanging around in the 50s. But I'm showing you this because I just want to show you how you can see where the colder air is coming in off the ocean with the counterclockwise motion of a low pressure system, and you can just see how it takes the temperatures down as we go ahead. Like this is around 7, 8 o'clock this evening. Notice from right to left, east to west, your colder air, ocean air is coming in and having an effect on temperature. Now, this is around midnight, and you can still see out here less of an effect. The temperatures are in the 50s, and out here in Jersey and eastern PA, temperatures are down in the low 40s. And then as we get through the nighttime hours, even some 30s in the higher elevations of the Poconos begin to show up by the morning hours. And now it starts to cool off here in the west, but it never gets down as cold as it does to the east just because of the circulation off the ocean. Just like the cold air coming around off the ocean, counterclockwise around the low pressure system coming up the coast, your precipitation does the same thing, except more of a southeast to northwest angle to it, but it comes up. And as you can see, by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, we have rain off and on, some heavier rain in New Jersey as it low moves to the north. And then you can see it's kind of close to the coast, so we're not looking for any change over here. Basically, it's all rain. Some areas have some steady rain, but it's kind of broken up. It's not a very strong storm. You can see it moving off here as we get to Tuesday evening. This is around dinner time, 5, 6 o'clock, and then it kind of moves off the coast by 8, 9 o'clock at night on Tuesday night. And then we're going to have to deal with a front coming from the west and another low coming up out of the south again, and they will converge on New Jersey and Pennsylvania on Wednesday. And then again, we'll have more rain again across the state. Eastern parts of PA and New Jersey definitely will have some steadier rain with this as we go through Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Okay, so this shows you where the low pressure system is located. And again, it would be nice if it was colder out there, but this is going to be all rain as it moves off to the east. It doesn't go northeast. It's kind of blocked from doing anything, and that kind of plays into the weekend. We have another low pressure system coming across early on Sunday, and it forms a secondary low off the coast here. Let's see if we can back this up right around here, kind of far out off the coast, but it will bring colder air in behind us. Again, as you can see, it goes up and it kind of gets blocked, and then it has to go off to the east. Now, trying to tell you how much snow we're going to get this weekend is pretty tough because the models are going back and forth, like marching back and forth. This was the model last night around midnight. This is the model running today around for 12Z run, and I'm sure it'll keep moving around. All I'm going to say is um, there's going to be rain, but then it's going to change to snow, and just who gets it is still hanging in the air. But I do think it's further south than this model. I think it's somewhere in between the two things I showed you on here. All right, I'll update this thing tomorrow, and we'll see where the models go in the next 24 hours. All right, everybody take it easy, and I'll look some analogs up, and I'll see if I can kind of decipher this weekend's weather and stay away from the models because the MJO is killing a lot of stuff, the Manor-Julian oscillation, despite what everything else looks like. All the teleconnections, that seems to be the culprit this winter. And as I said all along, if you watch me steadily, I always said this wasn't an El Nino or anything. I said this was totally different than that. And people that kept saying that, I kept saying that you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. And apparently, you know what? The numbers are coming in. It's not. It wasn't. It was for a minute, but then just as quick as it was gone. Okay, well, someday I'll talk about that. I've got some theories about underwater, uh, thermals and underwater thermals that heat up the water and change things, and I think that has a lot to do with it. All right, so take it easy, and I'll keep an eye on this for you. Take it easy. Bye.